to meet you. How are you? Hi, I'm Dr. Webb, orthopedic spine surgeon here in San Antonio, Texas. The Dr. Webb Health Career Day event is an event that exposes students to the field of medicine. So it's a fun-filled day full of various doctors, from orthopedic surgeons to plastic surgeons to cardiologists, just introducing students to various career fields in the field of medicine.
Hi, I'm Nathan Okafor, and I learned how to close up wounds, how to perform CPR. It helps because I might want to do medicine one day.
My name is Anissa Anderson, and I'm a senior in college. It was really fun meeting a bunch of doctors and just learning new things about the medical field and just gaining experience.
Everybody is super excited here, including myself. I'm a fellow college graduate, and being around all these doctors and physicians has been a very eventful experience.
How y'all doing? My name is Benjamin Akonde. I'm a third-year medical student at UT Health San Antonio. I'm really happy about what Dr. Webb is doing here. I think this is a great thing to do in the community. I'm looking forward to helping out again soon.
Thank you guys for attending the first annual Dr. Webb Health Career Day event. This is something that I've always wanted to do, and it was a program like this that set me on the right path, and that's the reason why I wanted to be a doctor. So that's why I'm so passionate about giving back, and hopefully we can grow this to a larger scale next year. And my goal is for one of you guys to come up to me in about 20 years, 10 years, 15 years and say, hey, Dr. Webb, I'm a doctor because of you and your program, and that's my goal. So thank you guys for coming out today.